Department of Mathematics from St. Anne's Arts and Science College. Today we are going to see the logarithmic series. So here we are having some important formulas. If modulus of x is less than 1, that is x is lies between minus 1 and plus 1, then log of 1 plus x can be written as x minus x squared by 2 plus x cubed by 3 and so on. And also one more formula, e power log x equal to x. Then log of 1 plus x is equal to x minus x squared by 2 plus x cubed by 3 and minus and so on. So alternative signs has to be coming. Then log of 1 minus x, that is in the place of x we are having the minus x. So minus x minus 2 minus x cubed by 3 minus and so on. Now log of 1 plus x by 1 minus x is equal to 2 into x plus x cubed by 3 plus x power 5 by 5 and so on. Okay. So just by heart the formulas. Now we are going to see the problems based on this. Find the coefficient of x power n in log base e 1 plus 3x plus 2x squared. So first let us take the given condition. From this here we are going to find the coefficient of x power n. So it can be splitted as log of 1 plus 2x and 1 plus x. So 1 plus 3x plus 2x squared can be written as log of 1 plus 2x into 1 plus x. Now we can split as log of log ab equal to log a plus log b, or log uv equal to log u plus log v. So we have splitted like that. Now we know that log of 1 plus 2x, we have a formula. So 1 plus we are having the log of 1 plus x. So in the place of x we are having 2x. Substitute there and then you can write here. Likewise log of 1 plus x. Log of 1 plus x, as usual we are having the formula x minus x squared by 2. That formula you just write it over here. Okay. So this can be written as general term of these, that is the summation of series. So summation of n equal to 1 to infinity minus 1 the whole power n into 2 power n x power n by n, plus summation of n equal to 1 to infinity minus 1 the whole power n minus 1 x power n by n. Now take this as a common term, that is summation minus 1 the whole power n minus 1 by n. Then what about the remaining term? 2 power n into x power n plus x power n. Now this can be written as, take the x power n as common, so 2 power n plus 1 will come. Therefore the coefficient of x power n is this term fully, that is minus 1 the whole power n minus 1 by n into 2n plus 1. So this is the coefficient of x power n. Hope you understand. Next we are going to see the important problem, 5 marks problem. Show that the log 10 equal to 3 log 2 plus 1 by 4 minus 1 by 2 into 1 by 4 squared plus 1 by 3 into 1 by 4 cube plus and so on. Now let us take the right hand side first. Take the right hand side. Now in the place of 1 by 4 you just apply y. Put 1 by 4 equal to 5. 1 by 4 equal to y. So what will happen? 3 log 2 plus y minus 1 by 2 y squared plus 1 by 3 y cube plus and so on. Now 3 log 2 plus y into y squared by 2 plus y cube by 3 and so on. Now 3 log 2 plus log of, this can be written as, this is in the format of log of 1 plus x. So it is in the format of 1 plus y now. Instead of x we are having y, so 1 plus y will come. Now y we know that 1 by 4. Now this can be written as 2 power 3 and plus log of 4 plus 1 by 4. That is we are cross multiplying, we are getting the answer like this. And then log of this will be log of 5 by 4, then this is log 8. So just log a plus log b can be written as log ab. So log 8 into 5 by 4, after cancelling we are getting log 10. So this is your left hand side, hence proved. So this problem ends. Next question. Sum to infinity of the series log 2e minus log 4e plus log 8e minus infinity. So here we are going to find the sum of the series, summation of the series. So log to infinity can be written as 1 by log e power 2. So this is 1 by log 2, and likewise log power 4e is written as 1 by log e4, that is 2 squared, that is 2 log 2. Then log of 8e, that is 1 by log e power 8, which is equal to log 2 cube, not 3 squared, change here, log 2 cube. Okay, I did a mistake here, please change it, change a correction, log 2 power 3. So this can be written as 3 log 2. Okay, and adding all those things we are getting as this term, that is log log 2 e minus log power 4 e. That is a given given question. So after adding all those things in the right hand side, what will get? 1 by log 2 minus 2 log 2 plus 3 1 by 3 log 2 and so on up to infinity. So take the log 2 is common in all the terms, so take it outside. Write the remaining term. So and this is in the format of log 2. Log 2 we are having the formula as 1 minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3 and so on. So log 2 get cancelled, we are getting the answer as 1. Next problem, show that 1 by 1.2 plus 1 by 3 into 4 plus 1 by 3.6 plus and so on infinity equal to log 2. Now here we are going to find the nth term, that is Tn equal to 1 by 2n minus 1 into 2n. So we are going to apply the partial fractions. So this can be written as a by 2n minus 1 plus b by 2n. Then after cross multiplying we are getting that. So a into 2n plus b into 2n minus 1 divided by 2n minus 1. But both sides if we are cancelling the 2n minus 1, we are getting the answer as a into 1 equal to a into 2n plus b into 2n minus 1. So take that as the first equation and then put n equal to 0. What will happen? B equal to minus 1. Put n equal to 1 by 2, we will get the answer as a equal to 1. So substitute the values in the first equation. We are getting Tn equal to 1 by 2n minus 1 plus minus 1 by 2n. Now write the values 1, 2, 3 in the above equation. So we are getting the T1, T2, T3 values. So S can be written as summation of there is the T1, T2 plus T3. Just write all those values. And then this can be written as 1 minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3 and so on. So this is log 2 formula. So S is equal to log 2. So summation of series is log 2. Next one more problem. Evaluate log base E 101 divided by 9. This is also very very important problem. They have asked in the 2 marks. Sometimes they are giving the subdivision problem also. Just go through it. So this can be log 101 by 99 can be written as this 101 can be written as 100 plus 1. Likewise 99 can be written as 100 minus 1. So take the 100 as a common. So what will happen? 1 plus 1 by 100, 1 minus 1 by 100. Cancel the 100. Then this can be written as 1 by 100 is 0.01. This also minus 1 0.01. Now it is in the format of 1 plus x and 1 minus x. Okay, so substitute the values. After substituting we are getting that 2 into 0.01 plus 0.01 the whole cube by 3 plus 0.x into likewise x plus x cube by 3 plus x power 5 by 3 likewise x power 5 by 5 and so on. So this is the formula we are having, right? To log of 1 plus x divided by 1 minus x formula. That formula we are using a log of 1 plus x divided by 1 minus x formula is last formula, that is 2 into x plus x cube by 3 plus x power 5 by 5 plus and so on. So there we are applying. So we are getting the answer. You can add the values using the calculator. I think last examination, if they are permitting, you can add this. Okay. So please try to do in the hand calculation nowadays. We will ask later. So you can find the answer for this. Okay girls. So up to this so today we are seeing the 5 problems in the logarithmic series. Just go through it. If you have doubts, just WhatsApp me. Thank you.